Hey guys, it's me again, Barry with Barry's 8-Track and Classic Car Radio Repair. This time we're demonstrating an 8-track, AM-FM 8-track radio out of a 73 Chevelle SS. This comes from Tom in Mundelein, Illinois. Tom has requested the modern internal conversion for greatly increased output power. He's also requested the Bluetooth. And so now we're here to make sure everything works before we send her back. Oh, he's also got the USB feature, and we'll be demonstrating all that as well. So I've got it set to AM at the moment, to the one strong station I get, so let's go ahead and turn it on. While we're on talk radio, I'll demonstrate the balance and fader functions, because they take a little while, and we don't want any popular music playing during that time, so I don't get nailed for copyright issues. So let's turn her on. Here's our AM. Okay, let's check the balance and fader functions.
You might have someone special in your life that lowers your blood pressure, cortisol level, and risk of depression, and
fader adjust.
Your loving dog
all the way
does
front,
it, and more.
all the way rear,
ensure your puppy
front,
is healthy as possible.
rear,
I'm helping naturopathic Dr. Dennis Black.
Fader set.
Dog food is
left,
usually
right, balance.
dead food. That's why Dr. Black.
Balance adjust.
All the way left,
add to your dog's
right,
food, bringing it to life.
left,
Stew it nice,
right,
sprinkle rough greens over Otto and
center.
Snoopy's food, and they gobble it up. They love rough.
Balance set.
Okay, let's make sure the Bluetooth goes into pairing mode.
Problems can be solved.
Bluetooth ready to pair.
Okay, so you heard that. We don't need this stuff anymore. Let's make sure it plays music stored on a USB stick. My radio commercial.
Confident Rough Greens will help. He's offering a free jumpstart.
Okay, that's it. Okay, let's move over to FM, and I have all 5 buttons preset to stations in my area for a quick test. Okay, we're on FM now.
Is repeated, and the adjective song.
Okay, let's try the 8-track. Here we go.
The tear I cry, you don't know what you do. And it's only 'cause she's lonely. It's my little girl.
Okay, between songs, crank it up. No crosstalk. Okay, hit the remove button. Tape comes out, radio comes back. And that takes care of everything. Since we can see the tuning pointer, we know the dial light's working, because when you turn the radio off, the pointer disappears. So that concludes the test. Everything's working properly, and she's ready to go back to the customer. And I'm ready to get on to probably 6 or 7 more videos today. I'm Barry with Barry's 8-Track and Classic Car Radio Repair. And to reach me for service, please visit the website that's in the description below. And if you download and print a work order, then you probably won't need to call me with a bunch of questions. But it is okay to call me after you've printed up a work order, because that's what has all my prices and options, including options for turn time. That saves me about 15 minutes on the phone with every new customer, and allows me to stay on the bench where my top quality workmanship can prevail. So thanks so much for watching and listening. Thank you, Tom, for your business all the way from Mundelein, Illinois, and we'll see you guys next time.